Hello doctors, this is Dr. Akshay and today's topic is about fluoroquinolones. So what are fluoroquinolones? Fluoroquinolones are antimicrobial agents which are active against gram-negative as well as positive bacteria, but mainly effective against gram-positive bacteria. The mechanism of action is that inhibition of DNA gyrase. So what this enzyme DNA gyrase does is, it is helpful in replication of the DNA of bacteria. Let's see that how it takes place. Bacteria's DNA is always circular. Take this wire as an example. This is the circular DNA of bacteria. So what the DNA does is, it does negative supercoilings. When it does negative recoilings, it becomes as a single unit. Can you see this? It becomes as a single unit. And after it's being done, this DNA gyrase has two subunits, A and B subunit. Okay, A and B subunit. The B subunit helps in for negative replication, while the A subunit cuts the DNA, cuts one part of the DNA and joins, so that it becomes as a single unit. Okay, if there is a DNA and here is this DNA gyrase A and B subunit, the B subunit recoils in negative way and the A subunit cuts it and makes it a single one. Okay, in this way the replication takes place and fluoroquinolones inhibit the enzyme DNA gyrase and thus stops the production of bacterial DNA, and thus it prevents the growth of bacteria. In gram-positive bacteria, there is topoisomerase 4 enzyme. If this process is completed, then the DNA becomes again circular in nature before dividing. But in this condition, this enzyme, topoisomerase, which has same A and B subunits, again fluoroquinolones block this topoisomerase enzyme before dividing it, and thus it breaks the formation of bacterial DNA and thus prevents the growth of bacterial DNA. Fluoroquinolones are bactericidal in action, which means they kill it. They kill the bacterial action and thus prevents the entry of bacteria. That's all for today, guys.